Hi guys, this is Fran and we're on episode 7 of Ask Fran. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit on nutrient density. So in our previous episode we mentioned how to eat for health. The most important part of eating for health is making sure that you're eating nutrient-rich meals. For me, cancer is something that is not one-dimensional. So there's environmental factors, there's nutrition factors, there's genetics, there's mutations, there's a lot of things that play a role into you being sick. For me, I ended up getting something called a nutrient density test, and I found out that I was very low in a lot of basic things that you need for your cells to repair themselves, as well as your DNA. One of those things was like selenium and magnesium, and there were so many things that I was depleted in because my diet was voided of proper nutrients. What I ended up doing was finding out what I was void of and then enhancing my diet with those things. One of the biggest pieces of advice that I would suggest is to get a nutrient density test and get a food sensitivity test. Those two items will allow you to understand how your body's reacting to what you eat at a cellular level. If you want your body to repair itself, you have to better understand how to nourish it. And that's one of the biggest pieces of information that I think I found the most useful as I was going through this process. When we talk about DNA damage and your cancers being a mutation and then those cells continuing to grow, the biggest question I asked myself when I went through this process is, how can I stop this? How can I reverse it? And what can I do to prevent other cells from degenerating at that same rate? And the answer was changing my diet, changing my nutrition, finding proper supplementation techniques and other medical IVs and other procedures that I got done to help me get to the point that I'm at today. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in our next episode. Thanks for joining.